everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 favorite Easter recipes for this season. First up are my Marzipan Easter eggs. I'm going to use plastic eggs I purchased from the dollar store. My simple marzipan is going to be tinted and then stuffed into plastic eggs to shape. These are then decorated with royal icing and sprinkles for Easter. Next up are my Forminas. These are canapé shells made with a simple dough rolled and pressed into canapé shells. They're then deep fried and stuffed with a creamy filling of your choice. Next are my cute Easter coconut baskets. Using the same dough as the Forminas, these will be baked together with handles. A delicious creamy coconut filling is divided and tinted and then spooned into the cases. The handle is then inserted into the filling. It's hard to pass up Easter without serving lamb. These lamb chops are marinated with green masala and pan-fried. Delicious. And we'll end with something sweet and delicious. This Jello ice cream pudding is prepared with multiple flavors. Jello is mixed simply with ice cream and then set in layers. If you love these recipes, I'm going to leave a link to the playlist at the end of this video. As well as make sure that you subscribe to my channel and that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Have a safe and happy Easter. Bye.